Welcome to this 7 days comprehensive Python tutorial for absolute beginners. Let me quickly take you through our course outline for the day one. In this day one, we'll be talking about the basics of Python programming. So in this basics of Python programming, we have introduction to Python, what is Python, Python-based system, scope of Python, company that use Python. We have a whole lot of companies out there that use Python to program or to build their software or their websites or their web applications or their desktop applications. So there are so many of them. So I will be listing out for you. So next year, I want us to talk about installation of Python. Check Python in your system, Python downloading and installation. But firstly, we'll check Python in our system. Many systems, sorry, or many operating system comes with Python installed already. So before you install or before you go ahead to download a Python and install Python, we will run a check if Python is on our system or if Python has been installed on our system. So next is the introduction to IDE. So I'll be telling you guys what IDE is all about. What is IDE? How many types of IDE? How can you install IDE? And how to use IDE to write Python code. Next is our Python Hello World. Python Hello World, multiple ways to create and execute your Python files. There are so many ways you can execute Python files. There are so many ways you could create your Python code. There are so many, like I said, there are so many IDEs you can use to write your Python code. So there are so many ways you could execute your Python code you write with your IDE, depending on the IDE you're using. So just calm yourself down. I will walk you through, take you hand to hand to make sure you understand all the basics of Python programming language. Next here is the Python fundamental concepts. Yes, I'll be teaching you guys about the Python fundamental concepts. The first here is the IO functions, the program and the statement, the comment, terminal, indentation, and reserved words. All these things I'll be teaching you in the Python fundamental concepts under the Python basics programming language. And all these are still under the day one. So I will be covering all this under the day one. So next here is our Python programming exercises. So I will give you guys exercise you will do to for a better understanding for you to understand how Python works. So please, like I said earlier, if if you've been given us an exercise or something to do, please and please just try as much as you can to do it. Because the truth about it is that you don't just learn from watching tutorials. No, you learn from practice. You practice, 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 practice. So I'll be there to mentor you. I'll be there to guide you. I'll be there to walk you through, even when you have errors, try mistakes, and the rest of that. So I'll just be there to guide you through to make sure you understand the full basics or the right or get things right or the right way to write Python codes. So if you're just joining us for the very first time, I would highly recommend you give us a thumbs up and smash that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post such videos like this. So stay tuned and stay calm. Bye.